Most of us believe that practice is about logging hours, pushing through repetition until our fingers or our minds ache. We equate struggle with progress. But this relentless, hard practice often leads to a plateau, where more time invested yields diminishing returns. The alternative is deep practice. This isn't about duration, but about the quality of attention. It means working in a state of focused concentration on the very edge of your ability, targeting a specific, narrow weakness. You break the skill into its smallest components, slow it down, and perform deliberate repetitions with immediate, critical feedback. You stop when your focus wavers. This intense, targeted engagement creates far more learning per minute than hours of mindless drilling. It's not about practicing until you get it right. It's about practicing until you can't get it wrong.